Hello everybody, welcome to Bell's CB. I'm going to do a tune-up report today on the DX-98VHP. This is for Edward in North Carolina. Ed has put a switch in the back for the amplifier, so that's turned off right now. We're in the lowest power. Power's all the way down, we're on AM, and the switch is off. So let's take a look over here. 10 watts across the top scale. You see it just barely move out about half a watt there. If I turn the power amount all the way up, it goes up to almost 4.5. The peak power, 50 watts. Looking in the middle scale there. This scale here, right where it says 20. Audio, check, audio. Alright, and now sideband. On there, we turn this radio down. Sideband on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, audio, about 25. Okay. Now I can throw that switch in the back. We've looked at all the modes. Now we're in the high power. And let's put it back in AM. Starting again with the lowest dead key. In the same scale, 10 watts across the top. You should see about 6. And then I'm going to stick it on 100 watts across the top. Just add a 0 to everything up there. And I'll turn it all the way up, and we got 60. Now my peak power, I'll take this slug out and put it on 500. And now we're looking in the middle here, there's 100, 200, 300. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. About 265. And sideband. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. And a little over 200 there. Let's put that back. Burners up. Everything's good. And the server's looking good. All set.